hope the next 1 hour of yours with us would be really fruitful. I think we will be just starting up soon. So all over to you, Amit sir, again.
Yes. I just request everyone to open their video so that the session can be interactive. See, we are not here to tell you something about the theory of AI, how you can integrate AI into your teaching methodology and education system. But here we are here to show you the practicals, how you can easily, yes, with ease, with little bit knowledge of technology, you can learn the new skills, and it's the need of our. So that's why we decided that we should, whatever the knowledge I and Miss Taneja ma'am is having, we should pass on to our educators, because we are working in this industry for the past 15 plus years, and we have analyzed so many things that the teachers are struggling to cope up their work, and also we are here to guide you how you can lessen the burden. आप अपना काम का जो भी आपकी टीचिंग मेथोडोलॉजी में जो भी वर्क आता है आपका डे टू डे लाइफ में, उसको आप कैसे बर्डन को कम कर सकते हैं, एंड हाउ यू कैन बी प्रो इन दिस फील्ड ऑल्सो, एंड हाउ यू कैन ऑल्सो अपस्किल फॉर योर ग्रोथ. So that's why I am saying, please, the session is going to be very interactive. You can ask the doubts at the end of session, and we are going to explore many things. Ma'am, Taneja ma'am, you want to share something so that we can start timely? Because time is money, according to me. The time is money. So if it's 7 p.m., we should start between 7 to 7:03 p.m. and so that we can wind up timely.
Definitely, Amit sir, I agree with that part. So all the participants, as Amit sir said, that this is not a session where we are going to judge, check, or understand anyone's understanding. Basically, we are here being the educator in the same platform. We are here to discuss the daily challenges and the operational, time-consuming activity that we are doing in a regular basis. And we are simply here to talk about how today the technology is going to help us to ease our work and definitely to bring up more productivity. Now, this session is going to be fruitful once we have an interaction, once we actually, talk about the different challenges that we are facing in our profession and what kind of solutions are we looking for it. So as Amit sir has already mentioned, I again request everybody to kindly, turn on your videos, and we have given the rights to everybody to unmute yourself and ask the questions. So definitely do take this opportunity. This is going to definitely result out in our working easiness. So I'm really happy. Pooja ma'am, thank you so much. The first participant to turn on the camera. Thank you so much, Pooja ma'am. We are further looking for more participants for it.
Yeah. See, we have not done any kind of setting. Anytime you can mute and unmute. If you have any doubt, you can just raise your hand with this reaction. Here is a option of raising the hand. You can see I have just raised the hand and just lower the hand. Okay. So whenever you have any doubt कि ये चीज मैं जब कर रहा हूँ practical, how I am doing, you just raise your hand. I will take the doubts in between also. So it is not necessary that I will take all the doubts at the end. The class should be interactive. It's like just you have already enrolled. It should be like that only. It should not be one-way communication that we are just delivering the lecture and you are just listening and हाँ ये तो हमें already कहीं सुना है या पता है. No, practical knowledge should be there. This is my focus, because if we will be skilled and if we will be having the motto of learning the practical skills, then only that will be transferred to the students, and that's the need of our. Again, I'm saying, because I think we should start, ma'am, with some videos. I have some videos which I want to share with you what is happening with AI all around the globe. So let me share the screen now. I think we should start. People will join in between.
Yes.
Okay. I think we should start now without wasting time. Okay. So Anshika, my screen is visible to everyone. Okay. Just see this. Everybody knows this great leader, Donald Trump, Mr. Donald Trump, what he has done right now on the date of 23rd April 2025. The President Trump signs the executive order to teach AI in schools and train teachers as well, starting right from kindergarten. Means how far they are thinking, because they have invested trillions of dollars in the AI. I'm not saying that whole investment is done with education system only, but that country has done investment trillions of dollar in AI, and that's the need of art. That's why I'm saying, and I will say again and again throughout the session. And now just listen this video. Just a minute. Audio is coming.
So please take
done a lot in the artificial intelligence space already. The basic idea of this executive order is to ensure that we properly train the workforce of the future by ensuring that school children, young Americans are adequately trained in AI tools so that they can be competitive in the economy years from now into the future as AI becomes a bigger and bigger deal.
That's a big deal because AI is where it seems to be at. We have literally trillions of dollars being invested in AI, and somebody today, a very smart person, said that AI is the way to the future. I don't know if that's right or not, but certainly very smart people are investing in it heavily.
You can see that he has signed the document on 23rd of April. Now they are about to teach their kids right from kindergarten, and of course
Executive order relates to,
because when the teachers will be trained, then only that information will be passed on to the students. So advancing artificial intelligence education for American youth. Here are other examples also why we are conducting this. हम क्यों इसको बार बार emphasis कर रहे हैं? Why we are means conducting this master class, because it's the need of our कि हमको अब जागना पड़ेगा. So many things are happening around the world and we need to update ourselves. हमको update करना पड़ेगा अपने आप को. Now just see this document which Sheikh Mohammed announces AI as mandatory subject in UAE schools. This happened on 2nd of this May only. Okay. Just see Dubai. In a landmark about aim to future proofing education, the UAE has officially approved the introduction of artificial intelligence as a mandatory subject in all government schools right from kindergarten. Can you see? Right from kindergarten, they are focusing, and through the grade 12. Everybody is teaching AI. I mean, every one of us are learning. Means the working professions are learning, but nobody is focusing on teachers and students because as we know that these are the futures of any country. Students तो हमारे country के future हैं, and of course the teachers, educators, director, they play a key role in the development of any country. So that's why we have decided that my company, that's Alpha Growth Village Private Limited, is going to start these sessions for the educators in the coming days. And we have already started for students. I will show you some examples also, some videos where we are teaching the students, kids in the live sessions. That camp has started already on the 1st of May. So today's theme is how to train our educators. So just last slide, then I will start the main slides. तो इसमें मैं आपको बता दूं what China has decided. China has already given this confirmation that every kid in China is now required to learn AI starting September 1, means from this year only. UAE will implement this AI technology or integrated curriculum in the next year, right? In the next coming year. But China has decided अगर एक बच्चा 6 year old हो चुका है तो उसको AI सीखना मैंडेटरी है. That's why we are worried that what our country is thinking, where is India is going. Because यहाँ पर तो NEP भी अभी proper तरीके से, I will say what are my opinions, what I feel, अभी तो NEP भी अच्छे से नहीं imply हो पाई है. So when this AI integrated knowledge and teaching will be there, I don't know. I'm just stop sharing my screen. Okay, now let me share the slides. Just a minute. Then we will start. Just give me a second.
So meanwhile, Amit sir is sharing on the slide. Educators, let me tell you, AI is the survival pill for the future. Now, this AI is for us, for our careers, for the students, for their careers. We are going to be obsolete if we do not upgrade ourselves through technology. A task which a teacher is doing and is taking an hour to take and give the quality results in the schools, in the colleges, AI is replacing the same task in fraction of seconds. So for us to be the part of the market and to be in demand and to ask for the package that we want, we need to learn AI. AI
Yes.
is the oxygen for the career ahead.
Yes, very true, ma'am. Very true. And I am in support, full support of this because what I have felt in my personal growth when I started learning AI about AI in the month of August last year, I was not aware about these kind of things. Even I was not able to operate Canva software, which is specially designed for the educators. Okay, so much drastic change I have observed in my personal growth also, and knowledge, of course. Personal growth is there, but knowledge, we need to update ourselves. Means every year we should update. So my screen is visible, ma'am. Just
Yes,
give
sir.
me a confirmation. So the topic is unlocking the potential of AI, and from educator to leader. Of course, we are going to incorporate these things also in today's master class. So why AI in education system? Because it will give you an edge in your teaching skills and of course innovation. See, whenever we are going to join any school or wherever we are working, our heads, being academic coordinator, deans, principal, they always says be innovative, bring some innovation in your teaching methodology. अरे वो कितना हम प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज जितनी भी दे दो आप बच्चे को, वो कम पड़ जाती है. बट ये जो न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी आई है, ये एक आपको एज देगी. बिकॉज समथिंग डिफरेंट यू आर गोइंग टू टीच टू द स्टूडेंट्स, same topic but in the interesting way. And definitely it will lessen your burden also. For example, if we talk about making a ppt, normal ppt on any of the topic, simple, if I will say a ppt presentation, if you want to give some in project form, in the project form to the students, or management is asking something from you in the form of ppt, so at least I think you will take around minimum 2 to 3 hours with its proper designing and editing. But with the help of AI, this can be done with proper editing in 30 minutes only. See, it will generate within few seconds, but I'm adding the time for editing. अगर आप editing अच्छे से करते हो, some pics, elements, if you are adding, so your work will be completed within 15 to 30 minutes. So that we are going to teach you in today's session, and you will definitely going to stand out differently. It's the need of our. That's why AI in education matters nowadays. Next, benefits of learning AI. Better career opportunities. See, just mark my words, within few years, 2 or 3 years, whenever you are going for any kind of interview, whether in your field or any other field, the interviewer will ask, are you AI learner? Means are you means what you can say, आपने AI की knowledge को gain किया है? Are you well trained with AI integrated tools? तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन तो यही होने वाला है आपसे, वेदर यू आर लुकिंग फॉर एनी पोस्ट और वेदर यू आर जस्ट स्विचिंग योर जॉब. सो इट विल ओपन द बेटर करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज. Elon Musk said AI is not going to replace anyone. The persons you are using AI, they are going to replace the other people. So it's the best time. And if you are joining the webinar, at the end of
अच्छा
webinar,
होगा सब वही
you will come to know that yes, it's the need of our, and we
चालू
should
होगा
learn. We should start learning. ये हमको सीखना पड़ेगा. Okay. And of course, it will improve your teaching skills and lessen your burden. This I am saying again and again that it will lessen your burden, because when you are doing any task, 2 hour task or 3 hour task within few minutes, so definitely you will be having the scope of doing other things and learning other things, and in this way your skill will enhance. हमको time नहीं मिलता है. See, to be very honest, what I am observing by just observing my wife, that after coming to the job, so much work of the school is coming to the home. Okay, whether it is related to making worksheets, PPTs, or any kind of planning in the for the coming week, whether it is related to lesson plans. Yes, today I will show you how do you can make lesson plan within 5 seconds. Within 5 seconds, you can link lesson plan on any of the topic. Clear? So जब अगर ये टेक्नोलॉजी अगर टीचर्स ने तो सीख ली, तो डेफिनेटली दे आर गोइंग टू स्टैंड आउट डिफरेंटली, of course in their school and also on the social media, because in the coming course we are going to guide you how you can represent yourself on this social media, especially LinkedIn profile optimization. Okay, coming to the next. So why teachers are facing challenges nowadays? Because they are not aware of correct usage of tools. That's the main thing. And ignorance of tech skills. ठीक है, आया है एआई, सब एआई एआई कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, देख लेंगे. जो देख लेंगे वो फिर वो देखते ही रह जाएंगे, बिकॉज in every 5 to 8 years or 8 to 10 years, technology is going to upgrade. तो अगर आपने इसके ऊपर ही अपग्रेड नहीं किया, तो what about other technology which is going to come? And of course, not updating themselves. आपको अपडेट करना ही पड़ेगा अपने आप को. Otherwise, you will be replaced. Mark my words, you are going to replace with the person those who are working on it. And the benefits of learning AI, of course, the better. This is already done, I think. These are the challenges. And importance of lifelong learning, learning beyond the classroom, continuous personal and professional development should be there. This should be keep always in your mind, and adaptation to the new technologies. Okay. Now, before coming ahead, I think we should go for some practical work. The game changer for schools, this I will explain later on. I'm just stop sharing my screen, and now I'm redirecting all of you to Canva. I will be doing some practical, just analyze how beautifully and within no seconds you can do many things. Now you might be thinking, sir, आप हमको इसमें ये सब चीजें सिखाओगे. Now these softwares are very costly. Like if we talk about Canva, Canva is coming around 5,000 per year subscription if you are going for this license version. Don't worry about it. We are there to assist you. How we can make it available for you for the whole year, that please leave it up to us. वो हम आपको पूरा arrange करवा देंगे. Now let's share the screen of Canva. Just a minute. Canva is open. Yes. If anybody is having doubt whenever during the session, just type your doubts in the chat also. Ma'am will read or I will read, and we will answer your question. We are happy to answer your question, and we seriously like criticism also. If you think that here something it's not worthy, please share that also. So simply what you need to do, ma'am, my screen is visible to everyone. That's Google screen is visible.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Yeah. Okay. So simply what guys you need to do, you need to just type Canva Pro. Okay. So for the first link you need to click, and here this Canva where the Canva is written, when you will redirect you to this page, you need to just click on this Canva. Okay. We are going to share some other tools also, not Canva only. Other tools also we are going to just describe within a few minutes. So my first topic, that if anybody wants to make PPT within few seconds, so there are pre-templates available, and you will be asking, sir, ये तो paid version में, तो paid version को कैसे crack करना है? This we will be there for you. हम वो आपको बता देंगे कि कैसे हम आपके लिए available कर रहे हैं. So simply what we would like to create. It is asking what we would like to create. So many things are there. So many things they are already sharing. And Canva is updated. This is 2.0 Canva. This is not the old version where sheets and other things are not there. Now it has integrated so many things, even Excel, even coding also. I will show you. Even coding also Canva is doing, and done that within no seconds. कुछ भी नहीं लिखना है, just prompt लिखना है. Just you must heard about this prompt engineering. Prompts लिखने हैं हमको, जैसे हम chat GPT पे कोई instruction देते हैं. Prompts are basically instructions. So whatever I'm writing, right? Suppose I'm giving instruction to this presentation. So this is a small word, one word prompt. Okay. So presentation हमको बनाने हैं. Here also you can go presentation. And when you will be redirected to this, it will be asking so many formats, ratios, कि आपको 16:9 का presentation बनाना है, या in mobile portrait form बनाना है, या presentation 4:3 का बनाना है. तो generally we take this 16:9 landscape, जो हम Microsoft PowerPoint पे भी बनाते हैं. Okay, MS PowerPoint पे भी बनाते हैं, जो Microsoft Office का part है. But forget about that. That's the old thing, old practice. Learn the new practice. See, simply when you will be clicking here, this will open blank page, this blank canvas will open. Now you will be asking, sir, क्या हमको यहाँ पे टाइप करना है? No, just go here, design. यहाँ पर जाना है, ये आपका ओपन हो गया, यहाँ पे आपको डिजाइन पर जाना है. And when you will be clicking here, so many templates Canva has already given to the educators. This is the best application for the educators. So many. If you want to make PPT, suppose आपने बोला कि सर ये तो free templates हैं, but on particular topics. No, just type the topic in this search bar. Like suppose if you want to make a PPT on history, so just write history. Simple history presentation, history projects. It will come. So many beautiful templates will come, which you cannot design within few minutes. My voice is audible to everyone.
Yes.
Voice is audible. I think this video is hanged, but voice is audible to everyone.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, we are here, ma'am, only. Okay. For example, history presentation we want to make. So there are so many templates are there. You can just see. I'm just zooming it out for you. You can see so many beautifully designed projects already available. You just need to edit it. Edit karna. For example, if I am taking this historical landmarks, there are 20 slides available for you in advance. It is asking, do you want to apply all 20 pages? Yes, I want to apply all 20 pages. Yes, historical landmarks. So, within no seconds, it will apply on your screen. ये आपका working area है. And यहाँ पर हम एक बार इसको play करके देखते हैं. How beautifully crafted by the Canva. Just see. My screen is visible, ma'am. The shared screen. Okay. Ancient wonders
Yeah.
of the world. Great Wall of China. Okay. Machu Picchu, then Colosseum, everything. It is being designed. Now, you want to add some data? Simply, you can do in very few minutes and few seconds. For example, Great Wall of China के बारे में कुछ हमको इस पे लिखना है. Okay, something informative we want to show to our children. Clear? So simply, what you need to do, you need to go here on text T. जहां पर text लिखा है, you need to first select the slide on which slide you want to enter something. So just simply select the slide and simply click on T text and add the text box. यहाँ पे आपका जैसे add text box है, यहाँ पर आपका add आ जाएगा. Now you can write anything. You can write anything. Now you will be saying, sir, ये black तो इसके ऊपर दिख ही नहीं रहा है. तो what यहाँ पर है ना सारे option. Just see the cursor. I am taking my cursor here, selecting the box. Now when I am selecting the box, this bar is getting open. यहाँ पर है वो सारे tools. Easily you can change the color, you can change the font, you can change the font size. Now, when we are doing these kind of things in MS Office, it is burdensome and it is taking so much of hours, basically, so much of time. So you can just add anything. Now you might be asking कि सर ये तो चलो ठीक है, ये तो it's not a big deal. ये तो हम चलो इतना टाइम तो हम माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस में भी लगा देंगे. It's not a big deal. But what about images? What about images? If you want sudden images, you can just go to elements. Design के नीचे elements है. Just type Great Wall of China. Great Wall of China. This software is already integrated with AI. ये AI से already integrated है. ये इस सॉफ्टवेयर सिर्फ डिजाइनिंग सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं रह गया अब. This software Canva Pro, which is worth rupees 5,000 per year, is being integrated with AI, artificial intelligence tools. इसलिए जो भी यहाँ टाइप करते हो उसकी सारी एलिमेंट सारी इमेजेस आपको मिलेंगी. If you want to add something, just click on it. Suppose if we are liking this, just simply click. It will come here. You can see. It will come simply here. You can add it. If you like this, simply click it. It will come in the middle and you can just drag and drop. आप यहाँ से drag and drop कर सकते हो. Clear? So in this way, you can enhance the quality and beauty of your slides. Simple. जबकि ये इमेज अगर मैं गूगल पर देखने जाऊं तो पहले तो गूगल पर हमें सर्च करो, इमेजेस में जाओ, फिर देखो उसमें से कौन सी अच्छी है, उसका पिक्सल अच्छा है या नहीं. यहाँ ऑलरेडी पिक्सल अच्छे हैं. सपोज इफ यू वांट टू ऐड दिस, सिंपली ऐड दिस एंड यू कैन जस्ट increase the size, increase and decrease the size of the image also, and you can do animation also. Animated भी मिल जाएंगे. If you want something to change, for example, if you want to flip it, तो ये आपका flip भी हो जाएगा in this direction. If you want to flip vertical, you can do vertical things also like this also. If suppose sometimes what happen, this is your main image, globe is the main image, this is not the main image. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको सिंपली मेरा कर्सर को देखना, यहाँ पर आएंगे, जस्ट क्लिक इट एंड यहाँ पर ट्रांसपेरेंसी आपको दिखेगा. इस ट्रांसपेरेंसी को थोड़ा सा कम करते जाओ, कम करते जाओ. द पिक्चर विल गेट स्टार्ट फेडेड. वो फेडिंग उसमें स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. पूरा गायब करना, पूरा गायब कर दो. स्लोली स्लोली व्हेन यू विल इंक्रीज द नंबर ट्रांसपेरेंसी, इट विल कम इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. तो कितना आपको चाहिए उसकी क्वालिटी, उसकी प्रेजेंस, दिस यू कैन ऑल्सो एडजस्ट. This much powerful the tool is now, which you cannot do in MS Office, Microsoft PowerPoint. You want to change the color, you can change the color. Here, select the picture. First, increase the transparency so that colors can be visible to you. आपको colors दिख जाएं easily. And here the colors are there. You can change the color. Color palette is there in front of you. You can change it like this. If you want to do something here also, you can see the changes in the image also. In whatever the images you have selected from elements, उसमें भी आप color change कर सकते हो, which you cannot do if you are downloading any image from Google. This is the beauty of Canva. So like this, simply you can download. Share button पे जाना है. You can directly copy the link and you can download also. Download पे click करो. PDF standard में चाहिए PDF standard में ले लो. PowerPoint में चाहिए PPTX पे click करो. PowerPoint presentation के form में ये download हो जाएगी within no second. Your PPT is editing will take time. एडिटिंग में टाइम लगता है बट स्लाइड्स बनाने में टाइम लगेगा बिकॉज स्लाइड्स तो आपको ऑलरेडी प्री टेम्पलेट्स दे दिए हैं उन्होंने. इन दिस यू कैन डू द चेंजेस. सपोज ये आपका प्री टेम्पलेट था, इसको आपको हटाना है, हटा दो. ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप, इसको आप हटा सकते हो यहाँ से. यू कैन सिंपली जस्ट select it and drag and drop wherever you want to. Clear? If you want to add some your pictures, so simply there is an option of upload. You can upload anything. Suppose if I am going to upload my logo. Okay, suppose this is my logo coming down. So much project works are there. That's why so many things you can see over here. And suppose I am just looking after my logo. This is my company logo. So simply you can upload your logo. You can just customize it also. Suppose if you are not working for school, then also you can customize it for other people's, because many corporate peoples are also looking for good PPT presentations, and they hire people for that because they don't have any time to make these kind of PPTs. So आप इसमें changes कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको remove करना है आप remove कर दो any time. Clear? Suppose इसमें आपको changes करने हैं, you can do the changes. Something you need to write, you can write. Simply go to the text. You can text. You can add the text. If you want some elements, write related to Taj Mahal. Write related to Taj Mahal. Okay, तो एवरीथिंग विल कम. इफ अगर आपको उसमें कुछ और लगाना है, you can put simply, you can add many things. This is just an example because it's a vast topic. It cannot be done within 1 hour. So many things are there. So just I am telling you that you can make PPT on any topic. For example, if I am looking after any of the topic, like for example, just come back. हम वापस आते हैं. Simply create पे क्लिक करना है. प्रेजेंटेशन पर आ जाओ. प्रेजेंटेशन वहां लिख देना what would you like to create. Suppose on any topic, any of the topic. Suppose French. Just go for this French subject. Okay, French. Okay, and see, so many topics are coming for French class. You can just hit the enter button. यहाँ पर आ जाएगा आपके पास so many things. If you want to make on chemistry presentation, it will come within no time. You can just select and edit it according to your choice. Now, next topic is how to make customized worksheets. You can make customized worksheet. हम गूगल पर सर्च करते हैं खान एकेडमी, बायजूस, वहां से डाउनलोड हो जाए कैसे भी. अरे इतनी इनोवेटिव स्किल्स हमारे अंदर होनी चाहिए कि हम अपनी खुद की इनोवेटिव वर्कशीट्स बनाएं विद इन नो टाइम, बिकॉज सो मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर इन दिस सॉफ्टवेयर. सिंपली गो ऑन द क्रिएट बटन. क्यों हमको बाकी कंपनी की प्री मेड चाहिए? हमको उस जो ऑलरेडी है एंड वॉट एवर वी हैव इन आवर ब्रेन, उसको इसके साथ कोलैबोरेट करो एंड यू कैन डू वंडर्स विद द चिल्ड्रन मेथड, मीन्स एजुकेशन एंड टीचिंग मेथोडोलॉजी जो आपको इंटीग्रेट करनी है एजुकेशन सिस्टम. एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू वांट टू इंटीग्रेट with some other art integrated projects, that is also available here. I will show you in the coming minutes. Suppose you want to make worksheets. Yes, just type worksheets. Okay, and it will give you so many formats. This landscape, portrait, visor worksheet, handwriting worksheet, preschool worksheet, math worksheet, kindergarten worksheet. So many things are there. So I am simply going on normal worksheet and just see. This Canva will open, this canvas will open, and again there is no need to write anything. Just simply go on design. If you are looking for mathematics worksheet, ठीक है, mathematics worksheets, simple click here. And suppose it is of primary classes, simply you can just see butterfly counting. So many things will come. and you can just simply drag and drop here. You can change the color and you can customize it. So many things are there. Count the number of spots on each butterfly and write the number underneath. इसको मैं थोड़ा सा आपके पास करता हूँ एकदम. Now you can see. Best worksheet for counting. इसमें अगर आपको इसको और कस्टमाइज करना है, simply click on the square box, means simply click on the text and add the coloring. आप change कर सकते हो colors. You can change the coloring. आपको और इसके अंदर इफेक्ट डालना है, यस यू कैन पुट, जस्ट सिलेक्ट इट एंड यू कैन गो फॉर दिस इफेक्ट पार्ट. इफेक्ट्स में आ जाओ एंड हेयर सो मेनी स्टाइल्स आर देयर. जस्ट क्लिक ऑन इन आउटलाइन, यू कैन सी कलर उसके अंदर फिल हो गया है. पहले कैसा था, होलो था, फिल नहीं था कलर, लाइक दिस. एंड यू कैन टेक आउट द प्रिंट आउट जस्ट बाय डाउनलोडिंग इट. इसके अंदर भी आपको चेंजेस करने हैं. यू वांट टू चेंज इंक्रीज द फॉन्ट साइज, यू कैन. ओके, if you want to change the font size, you can. Everything is available. Everything is available. You can make. Suppose you want to add class name of the child and class name. Simply go to text, add a text box. Text box यहाँ आ जाएगा middle of write name. Okay, write name and put a bar जो हम एक normal worksheet पर बनाते हैं. Clear? इसको scroll drag करके ऊपर लेके आ जाओ आप. Put here name of the child. सिंपली अब दोबारा टेक्स्ट बॉक्स लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, सेम साइज का चाहिए, इसी को सिलेक्ट करो, कंट्रोल डी, डुप्लीकेट आ जाएगा. इसको हम यहां पर लेके आ जाते हैं और यहां पर हम क्या लिख देंगे नेम की जगह, क्लास. सिंपली वी विल राइट क्लास. दिस यू विल लर्न स्लोली. जिनको आता है इट्स फाइन, बट दोज हु आर न्यू टू दिस सॉफ्टवेयर, दिस यू विल लर्न स्लोली. नेम, क्लास, एवरीथिंग. इफ यू वांट टू हैव, सी कभी कभी होता है ना इन सम स्कूल्स, मेरे सिग्नेचर के बिना वर्कशीट आगे नहीं बढ़नी चाहिए. ओके, तो सिग्नेचर भी यहाँ लगा सकता हूँ. आप अपने सिग्नेचर प्रिंसिपल, एकेडमिक कोऑर्डिनेटर के प्रिंसिपल अपलोड में रखो आप. ओके, उनको आप बता सकते हो. और इफ दे आर आस्किंग योर सिग्नेचर, तो योर सिग्नेचर कैन बी देयर इन द अपलोड सेक्शन एंड यू सिंपली सेलेक्ट एंड ड्रॉप. आप यहाँ से भी उसको इतना कर सकते हो, लाइक दिस इज माई सिग्नेचर. ये आ गया इधर पे, जस्ट इसको थोड़ा सा छोटा कर, सॉरी, जस्ट यहाँ से हम स्क्वीज कर लेंगे इसको. ओके, ये यहाँ पर हमने इस तरह से हमने कर लिया और यहाँ कॉर्नर में हमने लगा दिया. डैट मैम, आई एम ऑन हॉलीडे, ये दिस इज माई वर्कशीट, आई हैव साइन. दैट्स इट. यू कैन डाउनलोड. यू कैन डाउनलोड. कॉपी लिंक, आप कॉपी भी करके लिंक दे सकते हो. मैम इफ यू वांट समथिंग, सम चेंजेस, प्लीज लेट मी नो, आई विल चेंज एंड देन इट विल बी विजिबल इन दिस लिंक. अदरवाइज व्हेन जब फाइनल आ जाए तो डाउनलोड करके आप दे दो. जब तक आपको कंफर्मेशन आ जाए तो कॉपी लिंक दे दो. लिंक पे मैम ऑलरेडी चेक कर लेगा. लिंक आप व्हाट्सएप पे दे दो डायरेक्ट अपने डीन एंड हेड को. एंड देन जब फाइनल हो जाए तो डाउनलोड करके यू कैन गो फॉर दिस प्रिंट आउट. ओके, तो लाइक दिस यू कैन डू वंडर्स. व्हाट अबाउट, क्या क्या और नया आया है इसमें, यहाँ पर आ जाओ जरा देखो. कैनवा AI, यहाँ पर देखो ये लोगो. मैम एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग फाइन, सबको समझ में आ रहा है टिल हियर? इज देयर एनी डाउट? यहाँ तक किसी का कोई डाउट है क्या? चैट्स में कुछ आई है? यस, आई वांट टू रीड द चैट्स. यस, ओके, यस, विजिबल. ओके, ओके, थैंक यू. No doubt. Thank you, ma'am. Pooja, ma'am, thank you. So again, I am sharing the screen, just sharing my screen and just take you to the AI. ओके, कभी कभी क्या होता है, हमको इमेजेस गूगल पे मिलती ही नहीं है. हमको इमेजेस गूगल पर मिलती ही नहीं है. तो अब ये है सॉफ्टवेयर आपके लिए. दिस इज अदर आर ऑल्सो देयर आर मेनी, 4-5 सॉफ्टवेयर आर देयर. ये दिस इज जस्ट द वन आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग, so that within 1 hour, whatever the maximum things I can teach you, because for 1 month we are giving you Canva after this webinar, so you should utilize it. Okay, and of course we will be announcing many things after this. So describe your idea. जैसे Canva AI पे क्लिक किया, describe your idea, इन्होंने पूछना स्टार्ट कर दिया. And Canva AI can make mistakes, please check for accuracy. Design for me, create an image. Okay, इमेज बना देते हैं अपन इमेज के लिए. अब नाउ टेल एनीथिंग. ये देखो पास में मैंने इमेजेस बनाई हैं. एप्पल ऑन द टेबल, वुमेन्स डे था आज, तो मैंने इतना बढ़िया बनाया इसको. एंड यू कैन इंटीग्रेट एनी वेयर. एंड दिस आई रिक्वायर फॉर माई सम प्रेजेंटेशन, तो दिस आई टुक फ्रॉम दिस हेयर ओनली. एनी समथिंग रिलेटेड टू सम साइंस. ओके, मिनिएचर of chemistry or school classroom. Okay, school classroom. Just hit the enter button. You can speak also. Just hit the enter button, and it will start generating. And for one prompt, one credit will be deducted. So in free, many things will be there. You can just simply make animated videos, animated things. If you want something in your PPTs, you can take these kind of images. These kind of images are not available on Google. This you can harness the power with the help of AI only, with the power of AI only. कुछ भी कर लो, यू कांट इग्नोर. इग्नोर करोगे, आपका ही डाउनफॉल आएगा. मार्क माई वर्ड्स. एंड दिस यू विल रियलाइज विद इन 1 ईयर. विद इन 1 ईयर, मार्क माई वर्ड्स. क्योंकि एडुकेटर्स, किड्स, मैं अभी आपको एक किड्स का एग्जांपल दिखाऊंगा. हाउ ब्यूटीफुली दे आर लर्निंग फ्रॉम आवर प्लेटफॉर्म. 500 प्लस स्टूडेंट्स हैव ऑलरेडी एनरोल्ड फॉर दिस एआई समर कैंप. एंड दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स दे आर लर्निंग. तो अगर वो अपने आप को, अगर किड्स अपग्रेड हो गए एंड टीचर्स ने अपग्रेड नहीं किया, तो यू कैन जस्ट इमेजिन what kind of means some contrasting and contradiction will be there in the thoughts in the coming years. Okay, so like this you can generate anything. Okay, you can do coding. Here coding, पूरी कोडिंग आपके सामने होगी. क्या है? क्रिएट अ स्लीक मॉडर्न प्राइसिंग कैलकुलेटर फॉर माय बिजनेस. ओके, तो अब बस देखो कोडिंग स्टार्ट हो गई है. मैंने तो बस प्रॉम्प्ट डाला था, ये प्रॉम्प्ट ऑलरेडी वहां पर था, उसको क्लिक किया बस. नाउ एवरीथिंग इज बीइंग डन बाय कैनवा एआई. दिस इज द ब्यूटी. और देखना भी पूरा बनकर आएगा सॉफ्टवेयर. ऐसा नहीं है कि बस कोडिंग हो जाएगी. फुल सॉफ्टवेयर विल बी देयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. पूरा सॉफ्टवेयर अभी बनकर आने वाला है आपके सामने. और रिकॉर्डिंग देखो मेरे हाथ यहाँ पर, मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ. आई एम नॉट प्रेसिंग एनी ऑफ द बटन कि कहीं से कॉपी पेस्ट कर रहा हूँ. नो, एवरीथिंग कैनवा इज डूइंग विच इज इंटीग्रेटेड विद एआई टेक्नोलॉजी. एंड द ओनर, when she is from USA basically, when she launched the Canva, why she launched this Canva many years back. It's a very old tool, because when she was going for interview she was rejected due to some its presentation skills. Okay, then she decided that these kind of things so many people around the world are facing. इसका अगर कुछ तोड़ निकाल दिया, इसका अगर कुछ मैंने कर लिया, तो she will definitely going to earn so much of money and it will help people. So she decided कि कुछ ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर बनाते हैं, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट एट ऑल पॉसिबल दैट एवरीबडी विल लर्न एडोबी फोटोशॉप, क्योंकि वहां पे डिजाइनिंग होती है सब. और एवरीबडी विल बी एबल टू लर्न दिस कोरल सॉफ्टवेयर, कोरल ड्रॉ. इट इज नॉट एट ऑल पॉसिबल. जस्ट सी, योर सॉफ्टवेयर इज रेडी विद द कोडिंग. यू कैन सी दिस सॉफ्टवेयर इज रेडी. क्लियर? यू कैन जस्ट क्लिक इट. यहाँ पे क्लिक भी हो रहा है प्रॉपर. ओके, एंड देन दिस. नाउ जस्ट सी, you can see the change in the price. So it is doing many things. सारी चीजें मैं एक बार में नहीं बता पाऊंगा, because already 30 minutes I have taken. I have to give some minutes to Anshika ma'am also. She is also eager to share many things. So anything, any doubt, if you are having, guys, please ask. See, just a starting. ये सेशन का अभी 10% भी नहीं, मीन्स फ्रॉम माई साइड देर आर सो मच टू describe and share. Okay, last thing I'm sharing, so that apart from this means many schools are facing problems to bridge the gap between parents and students. How they can do? We have some strategies for you. Okay, ये आप आगे जाके सजेस्ट भी कर सकते हो अपने प्रिंसिपल्स. If principals are there, then it's fine. You can. Oh, lesson plan. Somebody is asking for lesson plan. Okay, let's start with lesson plan. Simply go to Canva. Canva पे हमें जाना है. मैजिक एआई ऑप्शन है, और नहीं तो लेसन प्लान्स हमारे प्री टेम्पलेट्स भी हैं हमारे पास. जस्ट कम टू होम, क्रिएट न्यू, एंड हियर लेसन प्लान्स लिख दोगे आप तो आप इसमें खुद के भी लेसन प्लान डिजाइन कर सकते हो. एंड सम वन ऑप्शन इज देयर. जस्ट अ मिनट. Just a minute. Here is only the option. Brand. Design. Apps. Just a minute. वो ऑप्शन अभी यहीं पे था, जस्ट अभी मिल जाएगा अभी. जस्ट अ मिनट. मैजिक एआई से हमको बनाना है उसे. ओके मैम, टिल द टाइम आई एम फाइंडिंग दैट टूल जो इसमें है लेसन प्लान का. then till the time you can just take over from here. Okay. I don't want to waste any of the single second for the, yes, can we specify the pixel for images? Yeah, pixels, you can enhance the quality, you can remove the background, but not specifically pixels you can increase. So ma'am, I'm sharing the PPT for you, and I'm just in between, I'm just finding that magic AI where it is. वो थोड़ा सा अभी इसमें कहीं
Awesome. No
है.
problem.
I'm just sharing, just a minute.
So good evening, educators. As Amit sir has really shared wonderful information regarding how AI can actually reduce your work. Now, I am here to talk
Good
about,
evening, ma'am.
very good evening, sir. So what are we going to talk here today is, how is AI going to help you in your financial management? So there are various topics that I'm going to discuss with you today relating to the AI that helps you into financial management, that is your own personal finances. Second, how you can enhance your own interpersonal skills so that you actually stand out in your segment. Now, for example, if you are the educator who is handling the pre-primary segment, primary segment, middle segment, or senior segment, or probably if you're the professor or maybe a trainer in your organization, there are a few things that you have to ensure. And that thing is about enhancing your own soft skill. Whatever comes in the context, the human touch cannot be closed out. Now, what happens in the earlier times? What happens in the earlier times? The finance and the soft skills were enhanced by the people for the people. That means एक व्यक्ति दूसरे व्यक्ति के skills को improve करता था through the lectures, through the trainings. But now AI has taken over it. There are ample of AI tools that helps you to understand what you are performing out. For example, if you have a classroom delivery and your topic, so can I have the previous slide of soft skill, please? Yes, thank you so much. Now, for example, if you're developing a lesson plan, you can give AI the prompt that develop a lesson plan which talks about what is financial freedom. Now, I'm very much sure that everybody is aware about what financial freedom is. So here, for example, you've developed it, but then you're not pretty sure that how you are communicating is actually being delivered to your students. आपने जो भी प्लान किया है, आपके बच्चे वो कितना समझ पा रहे हैं, उसको कितना इनकलकेट कर पा रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पर मैंने आपके साथ कुछ सॉफ्ट स्किल के AI के एप्स की लिंक्स शेयर करी है, जहाँ पर you can see that UD, ORI, Grammarly, TEDApp, Learning, LinkedIn Learning, Elevate, ये सारे कुछ फ्री एप्स हैं AI के, जो कि आप हमारे अपकमिंग प्रोग्राम्स में देख पाएंगे. Now, what is the help of these apps? These app actually helps you to see what you're talking, to understand what you're speaking, and आपका उसमें natural accent कितना जा रहा है, कितना बच्चे उसको बता पा रहे हैं, कितना बच्चे उसको समझ पा रहे हैं. That means आपका accent और आपके समझाने का तरीका बच्चों तक कितना जाएगा. These app can, with their IQ, tell you is the delivery going right. For example, if I want to tell my student what is financial freedom, और मैंने word use किया that the financial freedom is when you don't have any stress of thinking about can you buy this particular thing or not. Now, buy this particular thing or not, ये लैंग्वेज एक 10th स्टैंडर्ड या 11th स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चे के लिए सही है या नहीं है, और इसको बोलने का तरीका क्या है, आपको AI उसमें हेल्प करता है. हमने कई बार देखा है कि हमारे जो ऑडिटर्स होते हैं, जो हमारे क्लासरूम्स के अंदर आते हैं, एंड वो ये हमें समझाते हैं दैट यू नो द वे यू आर डिलीवरिंग योर लेक्चर इज नॉट गोइंग राइट फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स. The students are not taking curiosity. The students are not really very excited to hear what you're saying. The students are not able to get connected to the voice modulation that you're using. So there are few free AI tools and the applications जहां पर आप अपनी क्लासरूम डिलीवरीज बोलेंगे और आपको AI की एप्स ये बताएंगे कि क्या आपने जो एक्सेंट यूज किया है उसमें वो सही है, क्या वो ह्यूमन टच या ह्यूमन इमोशन दे पा रहा है उसके अंदर, और अगर नहीं दे पा रहा है तो वो आपको इमीडिएटली अपने अपने मॉडल्स की तरह हाईलाइट कर देगा कि आपको इस वर्ड को कहाँ पर सॉफ्टली बोलना है, कहाँ आपको इसकी पिच को इंक्रीज करना है. So the AI is actually not only judging the lesson plans that you're making, but is also helping you to use the right word, to use the right pronunciation, and to use the right pronunciation along with the modulation of the voice. Now there are these many free software. These are very basic. And the best part is that every software has got a minimum basic trial period. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप ग्रामरली को इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं, आई एम वेरी प्रीटी मच श्योर कि आप लोग सब वर्ड में अपना काम करते हैं. whenever you work on MS Word, you simply have to download Grammarly as an app in your phone or desktop. एंड आप क्या करेंगे, आप सिर्फ Grammarly को ऑन कर देंगे. अब जब आप अपने कोई भी लेसन प्लान को टाइप कर रहे हैं या कट कॉपी पेस्ट कर रहे हैं या उसमें कोई भी मॉडिफिकेशन करने जा रहे हैं, in that case Grammarly will automatically suggest you where are the grammar errors, where are the where are the spelling errors, or which is a better vocabulary to be added to the sentence. So instead of you searching a synonym or antonym for a particular thing, you can simply turn on a simple tool of AI and get your task done. And it's been said that, the more simple, the more polished you speak, the game wins you. And teachers, the best part about these apps are you can simply explain these apps to your students and your half of the correction part is done. आप अपने स्टूडेंट्स को पीपीटी बनवाते हैं, उनसे प्रेजेंटेशन करवाते हैं, उनकी सॉफ्ट स्किल पे वर्क करते हैं, उनके पब्लिक प्रेजेंटेशन पे वर्क करते हैं. बट देन जब भी हमें ये तरीके, sure sir.
Ma'am, somebody is saying that use only English language because somebody is from South area also. So they are not able to understand. Please use English only.
Fine, fair enough. So whenever you have your students, you want your students to actually speak more in front of people. You want them to present more. You give them an opportunity to come and speak in the school during different forums. Now, before sending them into any kind of a larger forum, you actually ask them to make a PPT and then you check it and then you actually guide them that, dear, instead of speaking this sentence in this softer tone, you need to really modulate your sound higher. What if there is an app which does it for you? Don't you think that your 70% of the correction is done there itself? You just simply have to teach that app to your student. And by teaching this one particular app in the classroom, it's not the one student is getting enhanced or upgraded. It is a large number of people who is getting upgraded with one of your classroom lecture. So AI is actually into this development also. And it's been said that number of brains in the sitting in front of you have got number of thought processes. But then AI is something which is going to explain you with one single brain to all the members sitting in front of you. Now, similarly, let me talk about the financial growth. How many of you think that what you're doing today, you'll be doing the same after 10 years in your life? And if you're doing the same thing after 10 years in your life, do you think you will be able to achieve financial freedom? Now, we are in our upcoming session going to teach you how to be financially free. The portion of salary that you're receiving today, what portion of salary you need to actually save, you need to invest. We are not the consultant, we are not the financial consultant. We are just the educator who will tell you from where you can get an information to do the right financial investments for yourself. We are not going to take your money and we're not going to invest it anywhere. We are just going to tell you, we're just going to teach you how to invest your money into different places so that after a certain period of time, you have a good corpus in your hand and you can time to time evaluate where your money is being used. And if you wish to switch your money from one investment to another, who can help you? Which is that right investment platform? So as you can see here, AI has got certain wonderful free applications which tells you how you can invest your money, where you can invest, and how can you get the, it's a very clean, thin line. Where can you get an information about the cyber frauds that is happening. As you have seen that in the latest stress between the war, you would have seen a lot of reels which talks about the cyber security. How do you come to know that your investment, your finance, your future is into dilemma? So AI is actually going to talk about the different kind of scams that can happen with you, and how are you going to protect. So there are many apps which is really approved by Government of India, which is helping you to ensure that your money kept in your internet banking or your mobile application is going to be the same. There is no withdrawals that is happening. All this is being covered by the educators of AI. Now, last and the most important thing that I'm going to talk today about is how are you as an educator bring up a different landscape to your career. Now see, the demand today here is with a person who is 360-degree involved into a lot of education. It might be AI, it might be financial development, it might be corporate skills, it might be soft skills. There are multiple things. All you have to ensure that the student who are trained by you, they need to be the students who are accepted in 21st century immediately after passing their secondary schools. What you have learned was learned years ago. What they are learning is the demand of today. Now, simplify, if you give your students a project to create a AI character which tells you that what is balance sheet, what is asset, what is liability, instead of your students simply searching on Google and coming and representing the same in classroom, imagine you have conducted a parent orientation and the topic is talking about finance and balance sheet, and your student sitting in parent developing a character by some prompts and actually representing it to the parent in his or her own voice. What kind of impression would you throw to the parent and to the institute? And there you will be called the real educator because you're actually developing the student of 21st century. So all the features that we have explained to you today, it's about worksheets, it's about lesson plan, it's about AI into financial management, it's about AI into soft skills. All these things are a vast course, and we're going to include the same in our upcoming programs. What we ensure you about is AI will never replace you, but AI will replace the person who is in the position right now and what you want to be into. So suppose if you want to be a principal or a dean of a school or a college, and you wish that I wish I can replace this person, all you need to learn is to undo what you have learned through traditions and relearn what is the need of today. And again, after relearning the same, we're going to teach you how to teach the same to others, because ultimately you're the educators. And an educator is successful only once the student gives the output.
Very true, ma'am. See, guys, share your thoughts. Whatever we have explained, just share your thoughts in one word. Whatever we have just discussed with you or taught you, please share your thoughts in the chat. And by the time you are sharing your thoughts, I am going to again redirecting you to Canva software to show you how you can make lesson plan within 1 second. Yes, you heard it right. Within 1 second, how you can make lesson plan on any of the topic. It can be topic of 12th class, it can be topic of 5th class. It's all depend upon you what kind of prompts are basically instructions. It's a new career opportunity for educators and other peoples around the world, that prompt engineering is one of the new what you can say career option. If you are able to learn these kind of skills from us, you can switch your field also if you are not satisfied in your education industry. So by this course, by after means it's a 15-day course, we will just explain everything at the end. So just learn how to make the lesson plans within 1 second. Okay. And somebody was asking that this software is free or what. So if you are enrolling with us, so this software is will be free for you. And by the time I'm sharing everything, please share your thoughts. जितना भी हमने आपको valuable. Yes, according to me, it is valuable, but share your thoughts. I want. So simply go and create क्रिएट पर आपको जाना है एंड सिंपली राइट डॉक्स, डॉक्यूमेंट्स। आपको यहाँ पे डॉक्यूमेंट्स लिखना है। यू कैन चूज एनी साइज, सो आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग A3। ओके, A3 डॉक्यूमेंट मैं ले रहा हूँ। जस्ट अ मिनट, एक मिनट, जरा जरा एक मिनट, यहीं पे तो ये डॉक्स यहाँ पर लिखा है, जो डॉक्स उसको हम ले लेंगे एंड देन दिस इंटरफेस विल कम। सी अगेन आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग कौन से ऑप्शन पर जाना है। क्रिएट पर जाने के बाद आपको क्रिएट पे क्लिक करने के बाद ये वाले इधर जो डॉक्स लिखा है इधर मत लिखना आप लोग, यहाँ जो डॉक्स लिखा है उस पर हमको क्लिक करना है। वी नीड टू क्लिक ऑन दैट। ओके, एंड देन सिलेक्ट दिस डॉक्यूमेंट। वो साइजेस पे मत जाना, डोंट गो इन दैट। Now here it is asking whether you want to write on or just simply you want to write with magic. Magic means it is integrated with AI. Just simply click here. One box will open in front of you and it will ask describe your writing task 5+ words minimum. 5+ words में आपको लिखना है. Whether it is related to idea brainstorm, paragraph generator, case study, business proposal, press release, project proposal, blog post, marketing strategy. So many things are there. LinkedIn article if you want. Yes, in our course, LinkedIn optimization also will be there. Okay, so we are here to generate a lesson plan. So I will just simply tell the Canva software, give me a lesson plan. This what I am writing, that is prompting. Give me lesson plan on the topic. Let's say any science topic, growing plants. Growing plants for class 5. Now just see the magic. I am simply just clicking on here. Then see the magic now. Within 1 second, everything will be generated. You can just copy paste and just redirect it to Word page. Done. With activity, everything is done. With time, conclusion, homework, assessment, everything is done within no second. This is the beauty of these tools. That's why we are emphasizing again and again. Do not miss this opportunity. Otherwise, you are going to regret, because whatever the cost we have decided for 15-day course, this you cannot find anywhere and in the coming years and coming months on our platform also. Because this is the first batch. That's why we have launched the course at very minimal cost. Please be sure, be present till the end of webinar. We are going to discuss and we are going to take your question and answers also. Q&A session will be there. Okay, lesson plan, growing plan, objective, materials needed. जितना अच्छा आप नहीं बना पाते हो ना, उतना अच्छा ये AI बनाता है. And with proper headings, lesson outline, introduction 10 minutes, presentation 15 minutes, what can be there in the presentation, activity, and then group discussions, conclusion, homework. और क्या चाहिए, और क्या लोगे इससे, ये बताओ. बस क्या करना है, एक प्रॉम्प्ट ही तो डाला था मैंने, और क्या किया था. सिर्फ प्रॉम्प्ट यहाँ से कॉपी कर लो. कॉपी इट, कॉपी हो गया. अब इसको कहीं पे भी जाके पेस्ट कर लो आप. यू कैन पेस्ट इट एनीवेयर ऑन द वर्ड फाइल. क्लियर. सो यू कैन जस्ट राइट. ओके, अगर आपको लगता है कि साइंस का नहीं चाहिए और ले लेते हैं अपन. ओके, इंटीजर ऑन द टॉपिक इंटीजर्स फॉर क्लास 7th. जस्ट जनरेटेड. Done within no seconds. Done with examples and with that too detailed. अब हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स आप यू विल बी सेइंग कर हमारा तो फॉर्मेट अलग होता है स्कूल का. अरे ठीक है ना, फॉर्मेट अलग है तो बस रूब्रिक्स तो यही रहेंगे ना. ऑब्जेक्टिव तो हर जगह रहेगा लेसन प्लान में. मटेरियल रिक्वायर्ड तो रहेगा हर जगह. लेसन ड्यूरेशन, लेसन आउटलाइन, एवरीथिंग विल बी देयर. तो यू कैन जस्ट सिंपली दैट मच यू पार्ट यू कैन कॉपी इट. इट विल सेव योर टाइम. मंथ ऑफ मई में हॉलीडे होमवर्क मिलता है टीचर्स को. प्रिपेयर द लेसन प्लान्स, प्रिपेयर द वर्कशीट्स ऑफ ऑल द चैप्टर्स. डू कम, डू कोऑर्डिनेट, और वी विल कॉल यू इन द मंथ ऑफ जून अर्ली. ओके, लाइक दिस. तो कर दो ना फटाफट काम. डोंट टेल अदर्स कि हम इससे कर रहे हैं. डोंट टेल. एंड पता लग भी जाता है तो एवरीबडी इज डूइंग अराउंड द वर्ल्ड नाउ. नाउ इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ. ये हमारी सोच है कि एआई आ गया है तो रिप्लेस हो जाएंगे या ये नेगेटिव इंपैक्ट दे रहा है. नो, जो इसको हार्नेस कर रहा है ना, जो इसकी पावर को हार्नेस कर रहा है, वो ग्रो कर रहा है. दैट पर्सन इज ग्रोइंग डे बाय डे. Seriously, I'm saying. And many of the people are switching their jobs also because they are not happy with their current situations. That's why they are learning these things. Any other doubt? Anything you want to learn? Video भी बन जाएंगी इससे. Shorts. Simply go here in this apps. यहाँ पर आ जाओ. So many things will be there. Apps में आ जाओ, videos मिल जाएंगे आपको यहाँ पे. You can make videos on any of it. Suppose आज Women's Day पे वीडियो बनानी है, type just simply Women's Day, Women's Day. It will save your time. That's it. आपका कुछ नहीं होगा, वो save कर रहा है time. Simply click here, anything. Something will be there in front of you, same template. You can edit later on. आप इसको edit करके दे सकते हो. ओके, क्योंकि अभी दूसरा डॉक्यूमेंट हमारा खुला था तो एग्जैक्ट वो फॉर्मेट में नहीं आया, तो हमें वापस बाहर जाना पड़ेगा पूरा.
Even teachers, the beauty about the video editing in Canva or any other AI is you can actually scroll the face of your student and give it a character. For example,
Yes.
if you want to narrate a story in your classroom, right? It's a lesson which takes you to a story. You can simply take the names of those characters of the story, and you can put up the face of your own student in the video, and the lesson plan in the form of video would be created. And then when you display the same in the whiteboard in your classrooms, just see the marvelous interest a student is going to take in the class.
See, so many free templates are there, small for toddlers, you can make videos, or for elder means for higher classes also you can make. You just need to edit it. Simple. So many free templates are there, and you can also just see यहाँ पर अभी ऑडियो नहीं है, तो हम इसको प्ले करके देखते हैं. एनिमेटेड आ गया ये. ओके, ऑडियो नहीं है, ऑडियो यू कैन पुट. आपको ऑडियोज भी यहाँ पे नीचे मिल जाएंगे. एनी ऑडियो यू कैन पुट, ऑडियो भी मिल जाएगा. AI generated also, you want to generate something, you want to put your audio, that is also available. Voiceover is there. Like you want to write and insert this instrumental, now just play it. इसको हमें यहाँ पीछे से ड्रैग करना है हमको. ये धीरे धीरे आप सीख जाओगे, ये हाथ बैठ जाता है धीरे धीरे. इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील. क्लियर? वॉइस इज कमिंग मैम? हाँ, वॉइस आ रही है, बट इसमें क्या हो गया, स्टार्टिंग में म्यूजिक नहीं है, तो इसको थोड़ा सा इधर करते हैं अपन. दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ एडिटिंग एक्चुअली. स्टार्टिंग में म्यूजिक नहीं है तो उसको म्यूजिक को पीछे कर. ओके, सो मेनी थिंग्स यू कैन डू. मैं यहाँ पे आपको अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स भी दिखा देता हूँ, क्योंकि हमने ये सब चीज़ें करी हैं ऑलरेडी. सो मेनी थिंग्स वी हैव डन ऑलरेडी. मीन्स फॉर पर्सनल थिंग्स, टू टीच चिल्ड्रन. यस, मैं अभी आपको एक सेशन छोटे से ग्लिम्स दिखाने वाला हूँ. हाउ आई एम टीचिंग ये यंग टॉडलर्स. They are learning so many things. And why teachers can't? They can also. जब मेरे देश के बच्चे पढ़ सकते हैं तो टीचर्स तो उनसे आगे हैं. These kind of posters you can design. Take the print out, post it on the walls of softboards. लगा सकते हो वहां पर. These kind of designing I am doing from this software only. जबकि मुझे कोई फोटोशॉप वगैरह कुछ नहीं आता है, सब कुछ मैं इसी से ही करता हूँ. Everything I am doing from this only. कुछ भी ब्रोशर बनाना है, यस, एक्सेल पार्ट इज ऑल्सो देयर. कुछ भी इसमें हमको बनाना है, वी कैन मेक. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, समथिंग flyer I want to design. Okay, some flyer I want to design. So in this you can do editing. यहाँ पर अपने आप लोगो लगा सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अपलोड में गया मैं अपनी फोटो लगा दूंगा, इसको रिप्लेस हो जाएगा अभी, ये देखना. अपलोड्स में जाना है एंड देन सिंपली टेक दिस. ये यहाँ पर आया और ये देखो, ये अभी मेरा इसमें आ जाएगा, वो पीछे से हट जाए, हट गया. दिस इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस सॉफ्टवेयर. ये आप नॉर्मल डेस्कटॉप पे नहीं कर सकते आप. एंड व्हेन यू विल एनरोल तो एवरीथिंग विल बी फ्री, बोनस फ्रॉम आवर साइड. सो आई थिंक वी शुड कंटिन्यू. जस्ट 1 or 2 टॉपिक्स आर लेफ्ट. अब दूसरी चीजें मैं बताता हूँ. ये तो हो गया सॉफ्टवेयर डिजाइनिंग, समथिंग रिलेटेड टू एजुकेशन ओनली. बट व्हाट अबाउट रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द पेरेंट्स एंड द स्कूल? उसके लिए क्या हमारे पास प्लान्स हैं, वो भी हम बताते हैं आपको. जस्ट अ मिनट, जस्ट कम टू द स्लाइड्स. वेयर आर माय स्लाइड्स? हियर, दीज आर माय स्लाइड्स. गेम चेंजर फॉर स्कूल्स. Yes, AI technology. Don't think that I am trained with this Canva software only. There are 500 plus AI tools in which I am trained. Okay. And this is the company name, AlphaGrowthVillage Private Limited. And it's a registered company. Okay. If anybody wants to means demand for any kind of documentation, we are ready to share. So AI game changer for schools. How? It will help you in building relationship with the parents, bridge the gap with kids and cultivation of a knowledge. How? Just see. These kind of things I have made with the help of ChatGPT and prompt only. No other tool. Suppose if it's a challenging situation for any new school and also existing school to lessen the TCs after at the end of every session. 100, 200, 300 TCs normal आ जाती हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि parents are not satisfied. आप अच्छी क्वालिटी दे रहे हो, प्रॉपर नॉलेज दे रहे हो, बट समथिंग इज देयर which is not filled between you and the school and the parents, that you can bridge easily. Suppose if you have the data, of course you have the data of the students with you, so whenever any student is having birthday or something, you can present or you can send them on WhatsApp digital things. ये आपको मार्केट में इजीली अवेलेबल होगा ही नहीं इस तरह, और डिजाइनिंग अगर सपोज मिल भी गया, कल को इस तरह की कंपनीज आ गई जो डिजाइन कर रहे हैं, बट नो बडी इज गोइंग टू इन्वेस्ट to bridge the for just bridging the gap between school and parents. Simply you can do and just innovate these things digitally and send the on the WhatsApp of parents. Definitely they are going to praise you and they will be happy and they are not going to leave you. This is just one of the example I am showing you, because one of my colleague was having means having kids birthday, so उनके लिए मैंने डिजाइन किया था, ये पूरी फैमिली का डिजाइन हुआ है. ओके, सिंपली विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रॉम्प्ट्स ओनली. प्रॉम्प्ट्स आपको देखना है, मैं प्रॉम्प्ट्स आपको दिखा देता हूँ कि जैसे ऐसे नहीं कि मैं बस ऐसे आपको बस बोल रहा हूँ कि हाँ ये प्रॉम्प्ट से हो जाएगा. नो, लेट मी शो द प्रॉम्प्ट्स. सो मेनी थिंग्स आई विल शो यू ऑन द चैट जीपीटी. जस्ट लेट मी शेयर द स्क्रीन. इसको मैं हटा देता हूँ यहाँ से. सो विद educating education tools you are learning so many things also. So हम यहाँ पर जाते हैं कहाँ पे, चैट जीपीटी. ओके, नाउ कम हियर. मैं अभी शेयर कर रहा हूँ स्क्रीन, जस्ट अ मिनट. शेयरिंग द स्क्रीन. एंड इसके बाद मैं एक आपको थोड़ा सा सेशन दिखाऊंगा, देन वी विल have a Q&A session. Don't go anywhere. See, these are the stickers. You can see these are the stickers with the help of this simple prompt. Create a 3D kawaii, a 10:16 Canva featuring 9 shibby style sticker in various poses. बच्चों को यही तो चाहिए आपसे पढ़ने के अलावा. पढ़ाई तो आप करवा ही रहे हो, बट these kind of stickers, if you will paste, if you just take out the printout, 10 or 15 rupees, and why you will invest? Schools are having colored printers, you can take out the printout, but you have to design first. You need to take the permission from the management that these kind of things we want to incorporate in our learning, means in your teaching methodology, that after completion of homework I am going to give you the stickers. Okay, like this you can design on your own, and this you can design on by the face of your own also, by the face of, simply I have to upload my image and I need to put this prompt. Within 1 hour it will generate everything. अगर ट्रैफिक कम हुआ तो जल्दी हो जाता है, और विद इन 1 or 2 hour it will be generated. Now here you can see I have generated everything. These capsules I have generated from here only by just putting the prompt. This is the prompt. I have just inserted this image. The child was having birthday on that day. उसका इमेज पुट किया, प्रॉम्प्ट डाल दिया, और ये विद इन 2 hours रेडी हो गया. इसका एनिमेशन भी हो सकता है, दैट वी विल टेक इन अदर सेशंस, एंड सो मेनी एग्जांपल्स आर देयर. ये लाइक दिस. ओके, अभी आप ऊपर जाओगे, सो मेनी थिंग्स विल बी विजिबल टू यू. जस्ट अ मिनट. So many things we have designed just by putting the prompts. So prompt is just one of the field in which if you will master, you will earn in lakhs by just sitting at home. Just simply, ये देखो सब हमने इसी prompt से ही बना रखा है. ये blister images, ये पैकेट्स जो आते हैं हमारे in like toys आते हैं, you can also send on their WhatsApp. So these are just the glimpse. Okay, and you want to see which we are doing with the kids, just explore that also. फिर उसके बाद हम Q&A session ले रहे हैं. I will not take more than 5 minutes, just a minute only. Just I will take 2 minutes. Simple. If students can learn, I bet you everybody can learn. So day 3 morning batch, day 4 morning batch. These are some videos. मैम जब मेरी स्क्रीन विजिबल ना हो तो मुझे बता देना आप. Okay, morning everyone. Let's start with a new topic. Means the previous topic only is my, but on the new settings or in the new version, that is 16:9, because 9:16 you. Ma'am, my screen is visible. This video is visible to everyone. Please type yes in the chat. Type yes in the chat, please.
Yes, sir.
You are now perfect in that. You होकर आ जाएगा लैंडस्केप. सो लाइक दिस टीचर्स आर, हमारा लैंडस्केप किड्स आर लर्निंग. सॉफ्टवेयर्स में जब है हम वीडियो एडिटिंग करते हैं तो समटाइम सॉफ्टवेयर सपोज, ध्यान से सुनना, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज बता रहा हूँ. एक हम न्यू वेबसाइट पे जाएंगे आज, ठीक है. द वेबसाइट नेम इज पिक्साबे। मैं उसकी स्पेलिंग लिख रहा हूँ, पहले उसकी स्पेलिंग को लर्न कर दो। इसमें बहुत सारे मिलेंगे हमको, नीचे सर्च कर सकते हो। दिस इज द सर्च कर, टेक्स्ट पे जाएंगे। तो लाइक दिस आई एम जस्ट फॉरवर्डिंग कि कुछ और एनिमेटेड में देख लो। दिस इज द वे ऑफ आवर टीचिंग। नहीं, हमें बस अगर ये लेना है, वो इसमें कैनवा में अभी अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो एप्लीकेशन दे दो। कैनवा वेदांत क्या डाउट, सी स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर। Okay, you can see the students are sitting at home in the summer camp, just at home, and they are learning these things. And उसके they are enrolled in extensive program. इसमें ना होगा आपने वाला। हाँ, एनिमल्स की भी आई साउंड इफेक्ट्स। ओपन द वीडियोस। आज मैं आपको एक, ये जो वेबसाइट है, ये आपको बेसिकली लर्न अर्न फ्रॉम होम। आपने अगर वीडियो एडिटिंग अच्छे से सीख ली, तो अब आपको मैं एक टास्क पोज एनीथिंग, हाँ,
मेरे पापा
आप चैट में डाल दो, चैट डाउनलोड करना आ गया।
It's in Geo World. In my game and
नाउ अब ये कैसे जनरेट करना है? पॉसिबल, एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल। हमको कैप्सूल वाला बनाया, बिल्कुल ये नहीं सोचना है कि हम नहीं सीख सकते। एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल। नाउ आई थिंक मैम इट्स टाइम फॉर Q&A सेशंस। ओके, एनीथिंग इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट प्लीज आस्क एवरीवन। इफ somebody is having doubts, you can share your doubts now. Anshika ma'am, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there. Dear participants, I request you to please unmute yourself if you're comfortable and you can ask your questions. We are all here to help you out. Taking up a course or not is a next level of opportunity that you take for yourself. But as you've already invested your 1 hour with us, and we're so happy that the strength was full till last. So we request you to
Yes.
please ask your queries so that we can actually give you the real output of the session.
See, these kind of trainings we take for students and teachers as well in schools also. This is the one of the session taken in Zui Mount Litra. This is Podar International School. So many things we are doing. So it's time to work upon the teachers who are the role model for the students, and of course they are playing a key role in the country's growth. Okay, so I think we should share the plan also. What will be the plan? How you can just enroll with us, and what are the things will be there? Just a minute. I'm just sharing everything. Anshika ma'am, if you can read everything and explain, that would be a great help for me.
Definitely, sir.
You can.
So as you can see, here we are coming up with a 15 days course. It's going to give you a lot of insight about how an educator are helpful with the AI tool. Not just the Canva, we're going to talk about the different types of AI tools that are available to you, which will help you to be a better role model in your education segment or in any other corporate field that you are into. We're going to teach you that how are you going to be financially planned for your present, your future, and it is not just for you, it is for your upcoming generations also. How you can be a leader in your own segment, and also how you can become a leader where you can train other as we are doing it for you today. Also, we're going to tell you that how are you going to maximize your public relation. That means if it is a parent, if it is any corporate client, if it is any team member, how are you going to develop a public relationship? All these are not going to be just a one-on-one mentoring. We are going to give you the technical AI tool which will help you with an advanced mechanism learning. Also, we're going to teach you how, with the help of AI, you can improve your soft skill, how you can do your self evaluation, and how you can upgrade and train your students. This all is not just inclusive. The exclusivity of this program is that you're going to get 1 year subscription absolutely free if you register for the course. This is absolutely free. And obviously, when it is free, we're going to teach you a lot of tools about it also. As Amit sir has already given up some demos of the tools. Now, the timings here is little comfortable. 2:30 to 4 is what we have kept the time for every day from 15th till 30th. You will be getting the recordings of the session also for a limited period of time.
No, ma'am, for lifetime. For lifetime, it will be.
That's wonderful. So I was about to say, if Amit sir actually gives up a blessing, this subscription is available for the recording for the lifetime. So you can anytime see this recording, learn back, and then apply the same in your regular performances. Also, you're going to get a certified course. As you have seen, that after the coming up of AI, it has become mandatory hours for teachers to educate herself and to build up a resume which talks about some kind of courses that you have opted into AI. All these comes at just a nominal fee of 999 to you. Now, if you
I think one evening dinner only, which
an
we are
evening dinner,
spending. But see, guys, if you are investing in your knowledge and skills, that will come with more wonderful evening dinners. Okay, that's my thought. Just invest in your skills and knowledge. Definitely, with AI, you will be transforming everything. You cannot imagine. Seriously, I felt everything in myself because मैंने वो सब चीजें ऑब्जर्व करी हैं अपने अंदर. So that's why I'm so much confident that after learning all these things, you are going to integrate and you are going to upskill and upgrade yourself. That's so I am just, ma'am, putting the link in the
there's
chat
one,
to
there's
fill the
one more
form.
feature that we missed out. Also, dear educators and all the participants, we are going to teach you how to be the genuine content developer here. How are you going to create the scripts? How are you going to create the images? How are you going to create the videos? Where are you going to post your content, which is going to give you an opportunity to earn as a freelancer also? And how to land up your own courses. All these educational features are going to be trained in this particular course. So now I request Amit sir to please share the link so that the registration
I have
process.
already shared in the group, ma'am. I have already shared in the group. Those teachers, those who are educators are interested, they can fill this link, this form, and everything is there. Every detail is there in the link.
Also, in case if you have any query, you're free to ask. You
Yes.
already are connected to the group. You can anytime ask your queries there also. And definitely for the next 2 to 3 minutes, we are taking a hold for you to post up your queries either by unmuting yourself or by putting the same in the chat box.
Thank you so much, sir. As of now, no query from my side.
Okay. Okay. So we are sending the link in the group. You can register and enroll, and we will get all the notifications.
Okay, Amit sir, I have received one query.
Okay.
And here the question is, are you also going to teach us how to create videos of the lesson plans?
Yes, we will. Definitely. Definitely we will guide this. And with the help of Canva only. कोई other tools की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. With the help of Canva only. And you can upload that on YouTube channel also. Definitely we are going to assist you.
So there is second query. The query talks about how are you going to help us in our own expense tracking monitorized system? So, okay. So all the people here, we have certain AI tools which talks about the fund and the financial management. It talks about the investment, the expenses, the luxury expenses, the needs and the necessities. All these education would be given to you. Also, we'll be building up your customized financial planning, and we will be teaching you how you can generate it with the help of AI.
So I am sending the link also in the meeting also. Everybody can fill the form and register. Everything, payment details, everything is there in the form. Just open the form, just go through it. Whether you want to enroll or not, at least go through it and just think what are the things. See, before investment, just think twice कि क्या इसके बाद क्या चेंजेस होंगे. अगर ये ग्लिम्स में 1 आवर ग्लिम्स में अगर मैंने आपको इतना सब बता दिया है तो 15 days प्रोग्राम में what kind of things I am going to explain and trained you cannot forget. And उसके बाद आप बोलोगे कि सर is there any other program available? हम बोलेंगे हाँ उसके बाद भी हमारे पास available because we have so many tools in our packet, in our bags, in which you can train yourself day by day and definitely within 1 year. 15 days तो ठीक है. But if you will go along, means long with us, definitely you are going to transform your life. Yes, these are the words I want to say. You are going to transform your life. And just a request, I want to see your faces. मुझे पता ही नहीं है किसने क्या अटेंड किया. If you can open your video for only for 5 or 2 minutes so that we can have interaction and then we will wind up. I don't want to take your more hours and minutes. So please, Pooja ma'am, Prasiddha ma'am, thank you ma'am. And then Pooja, Nihalini ma'am, Prasanna sir, Harsha ma'am, Yashvi ma'am, Rensi ma'am, please open and please share your thoughts. अगर आपको लगता है कि कहीं हमारी कुछ चीजों में कमी है, कहीं भी कुछ है, तो we are ready to face that also. We are ready to listen that also. मुझे this what मैम इसको क्या कहते हैं, मेरे को वर्ड याद नहीं आ रहा, वो क्या कहते हैं, मैंने स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द सेशन बोला था कुछ, मैंने आई थिंक यस, क्या था वो वर्ड जिसमें बोलते हैं ना कि हाँ हमको थोड़े से नेगेटिव थॉट्स और नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट सुनने की भी आदत है.
Criticism.
हाँ, क्रिटिसिज्म, क्रिटिसिज्म, यस. आई एम हैप्पी टू लर्न दैट ऑल्सो. यस पूजा मैम, क्रिटिसिज्म. यस. आपको अगर कुछ भी, अगर हमको लगता है कि हम जो प्रोमिस कर रहे हैं या जो हम बोल रहे हैं दैट इज नॉट अप टू द मार्क, और जो हमने बताया कि नहीं हम इससे अच्छा नहीं करा पाएंगे, और तो जस्ट क्रिटिसाइज, हम उसको और लर्निंग अपने मोड में लेके जाएंगे, उसको और बेटर करेंगे. थैंक यू सर, इट्स अ वेरी इफेक्टिव वर्कशॉप. यस, इट्स अ इफेक्टिव बिकॉज ये इफेक्टिव मैं इसलिए कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल पा रहा हूं बिकॉज क्योंकि मैंने अपने अंदर चेंजेस देखे हैं. मैंने अपने अंदर चेंजेस देखे हैं चीजों को बदलते हुए. आई एम राइट नाउ एआई कोच, एआई टीचर, एडुकेटर विद एकेडमिक कोऑर्डिनेटर पोस्ट, एंड आई एम टीचिंग एआई इन माय स्कूल वेयर आई एम वर्किंग. सो एक अलग से देखने का नजरिया हो जाता है कि हाँ दिस पर्सन इज एआई स्किल्ड वेयर अदर्स आर नॉट. मैथ, साइंस, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायो, हिंदी तो सब पढ़ा देंगे. संस्कृत भी दोगे पढ़ा देगा वो टीचर. हिंदी दोगे वो भी पढ़ा देगा लेसन प्लान करके. बट व्हाट अबाउट इंटीग्रेटिंग दीज थिंग्स विद एआई? तो वो एक चैलेंजिंग है. अगर आप लोग को वो समझ में आ गया, अभी क्लिक हो गया ना, तो आप, यू मार्क माई वर्ड्स, आप लोग मुझे थैंक यू जरूर भेजोगे बाद में पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप पे, एंड अंशिका मैम को भी ऑल्सो, कि हाँ सर वो जो वर्कशॉप थी वो अच्छा हुआ आप लेकर आए. दैट्स वाई वी हैव सीन सो मेनी चेंजेस इन अस. 999 का जो कोर्स है, अच्छा सपोज 999 में आपने एनरोल किया, 5000 का तो हम आपको बोनस ही दे रहे हैं. बिकॉज कैनवा अगर आप ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट से ले जाओगे इट इज 5000, एंड ये आपका 1 ईयर तक एज इट चलेगा, क्योंकि मैंने इसका पूरा पैलेट डायरेक्ट कैनवा कंपनी से लिया है. उनसे मैंने रिक्वेस्ट करी कि आई एम रनिंग अ प्रोग्राम, आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू रजिस्टर दिस प्रोग्राम इन ए स्टार्टअप प्लान ऑल्सो टुडे. मेरी बात हो गई आगे. सो उनसे मैंने रिक्वेस्ट करके लिया कि भाई मुझे चाहिए वो पैनल, आई वॉन्ट टू ट्रेन माई एडुकेटर्स. तो फिर कुछ हमारे उनके बीच में फॉर्मेलिटीज हैं कि यू कैन नॉट सेल, आप इसको सेल नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन क्लियर. तो डेट्स वाई विद प्रोग्राम आई एम गिविंग यू एज अ बोनस, तो यू कैन जस्ट यूटिलाइज इट. आप इसको इजीली यूटिलाइज करो एंड डू वंडर्स. डिजाइनिंग भी, इसकी प्रॉपर डिजाइनिंग, जैसे फ्लायर डिजाइन करना है फॉर योर स्कूल, सपोज एक इवेंट आ रहा है, स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट आ रहा है, एनुअल फंक्शन आ रहा है, वॉइस ओवर से ही है. वी विल टीच यू हाउ टू जनरेट वॉइस ओवर्स, कहीं भी डबिंग स्टूडियो में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स ऑल्सो, माइन्यूटली दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स ऑल्सो वी आर गोइंग टू टीच, कि आपको अपने एनुअल फंक्शन की पूरी डबिंग एक सॉफ्टवेयर एआई टूल से कैसे करनी है. ओके. So links is there both in chat and the WhatsApp group. You can enroll, and if you are having any doubts, please share. Please raise your hand or unmute yourself one by one, and you can just share something positive, something negative. We are ready to hear. Yashvi ma'am, can you share? Reenu Tiwari ma'am, can you share something? Jinsi ma'am, Rensi ma'am, Pooja Shah ma'am, would you like to share something? Pooja ma'am.
So it was quite informative and it's like quite innovative as well.
Okay.
So we are also a little curious. We have not explored all these things. So let's
Okay.
see.
Okay. Yeah. And Harsha ma'am, would you like to say something so that we can wind up? Anything you want to say? Just unmute. And Prasita ma'am, you want to share something? अच्छा, कितने लोगों को ये सब पहले से आता था, बस मुझे ये बता दो. यस और नो इन द चैट. अगर आता तो यस लिख दो, नहीं आता तो नो 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 लिख दो. सिंपली टाइप नो इन द चैट अगर आप लोगों को ये सब पहले से पता था कि हाँ ये सब चीजें भी हम इंटीग्रेट कर सकते हैं. ओके, प्रसिद्ध मैम सेइंग इज नो. व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स?
So we have many workshops in the school also,
ओके. ओके.
which makes us aware about all these things, but we have not explored by our own selves.
ओके. 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 But everybody is saying no, and Dhara ma'am is also saying basic Canva. She is knowing.
Basic, yes, all
Yeah,
basic.
basic.
We
This is
know
the
the,
advanced. This is the
but
advanced we are going to teach.
we know the tools, but how to use it,
Yes.
that we don't.
Properly. Yes, 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 yes. See, that of course, to learn something, some guidance is required. Everything you cannot learn from YouTube. पूरी proper knowledge वहाँ नहीं होती है. वो एक दो glimpse देते हैं, एक दो वीडियो देते हैं, उसके बाद बोलते हैं आ जाओ हमारे कोर्स में. एंड वो कोर्स उनका इतना एक्सटेंसिव होता है कि लोग सोचते हैं कि वेदर टू एनरोल और नॉट. यहाँ पर आपको ज्यादा सोचने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, बिकॉज कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव है. Certificate will be there. And yes, I forgot to mention that we have already collaborated with Z-Mount Litra and Podar International Bhopal. So everything is in the collaboration. तो वो सर्टिफिकेट पे आपके सब कुछ लगा हुआ आएगा. Don't worry about that. And of course, by today and tomorrow, Startup India में भी हमारा registered हो जाएगा company. Okay, so by the end of your course, everything will be there on the certificate. So you can apply anywhere whenever you are going for any kind of interview or anything. So if anybody is having doubt, you can ask, ma'am. Otherwise, we can wind up, ma'am. And if you have any queries, we are there to entertain in the group also. We are there to entertain in the group also. आपको कभी भी लगे, you can just pitch us. Okay. Um, Praveen sir has done the registration from Bhopal. One candidate has registered with us. That's good. What about others? Yes, Praveen sir is there in the meeting. Praveen sir has left, I think. Okay. Okay, fine. Ma'am, I think we should end up. And if anybody is interested, they can have the link. You can find the link in the group and everything, whatever the QR code, everything is there in the link. You can just pay and you can just enroll. And we will start from 15th of May, 2:30. किसी को टाइमिंग इशू तो भी बता देना, so we can just modify it. But not that much, वो टाइम स्लॉट उतना ही रहेगा बीच में. Because in afternoon everybody is free and in vacations है, तो मॉर्निंग में थोड़ा लेट से उठते हैं सब, और इवनिंग में ऐसा होता है कि चलो घूमने चलते हैं, क्योंकि ये वैकेशंस बार बार नहीं आती हैं इन टीचर्स लाइफ. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी केप्ट इन द आफ्टरनून, क्योंकि इतनी गर्मी है तो इतनी जल्दी कोई बाहर जाएगा नहीं. सो अंशिका मैम, आई एम वाइंडिंग अप. If you want to say something, then otherwise I should.
I think we can wind up, sir. The session has almost given us all the information.
Yes.
Just as said, that AI is the need, AI is the O2 to your career now. So I request everybody to take an initiative and enroll and just learn at a very simple and an easy way.
Yes.
The session is going to start from 15,
Yes.
and you've already got the links. Please proceed with that and do let us know if you have any queries in this.
Okay, once if we are traveling next week, how can we enroll it, ma'am? Lifetime recordings will be there. You can watch anytime. आपको सेम डे पे रिकॉर्डिंग विद इन 6 or 7 hours आपके एक शेयर फोल्डर मेल पर आ जाएगा. उसमें सारी रिकॉर्डिंग्स रहेंगी, लाइफ टाइम रहेंगी. आप कभी भी ट्रैवल करें, आप कहीं पे भी हो, जरूरी नहीं कि लाइव सेशंस आपको अटेंड करने हैं. रिकॉर्डिंग्स विल बी देयर ऑलवेज. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. हाँ, व्हाट अबाउट होमवर्क एंड प्रोजेक्ट्स? यस, तो उसके लिए हम आपको बता देंगे. वी विल गिव यू द टाइमलाइन कि आप इतने दिन में आप होमवर्क करो, बिकॉज इट्स जस्ट काइंड ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. इसमें भी कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं रखना है हम, कि नहीं हमको आज ही चाहिए होमवर्क या कल ही चाहिए. नो, इफ यू आर बिजी you can submit the homework later on also. Okay, if your schedule is busy, because this is the time where everybody is traveling, but this is also the time where you can invest time in learning new skills. उसके बाद तो फिर क्या है, वही 4 o'clock 3 o'clock तक तो वहीं स्कूल में ही रहना है. ओके, फिर उसके बाद टाइम नहीं मिलता. देन उसके बाद आके घर, बच्चे, खाना, बस यही तो है लाइफ. तो दैट्स व्हाई वी वांट टू चेंज द मींस वी वांट टू अपग्रेड योरसेल्फ. मीन हम आपको अपग्रेड करना चाहते हैं कि आप ये सीखो. दिस इज द राइट टाइम. Okay, thank you. I'm ending the webinar. Any other doubt, please share in the chat so that I can answer. Otherwise, you can ask in the group direct. Chat is open in the group. You can directly ask Anshika ma'am, and I will be happy to answer you. Thank you. Bye everyone. Bye.
Thank you so much, everybody. You all are free to leave the webinar now.